Welcome to my Navarsh Learning Studio.
Today we learn table of 2.
2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.